Hey Rush fam, so we see a new construction in front of us right here in Stanton Terrace. Looks like a plaza. It's right beside a recently finished apartment complex on Fairway Avenue. So we are starting out the drive right here at Total Gas Station, Stanton Terrace. So welcome back to the channel. It's another driving video. This is the mixture of city drive and community drive, so you guys definitely grab a seat and stay tuned. So if you're new to the channel, if you've watched a few videos and haven't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe. Remember to turn on your post notification bell as well, so once I do a new upload, you are notified. Remember to comment and remember to share. So we are on Mckenly Drive, also called Roosevelt Avenue. So this road has two names, and started out at the Stanton Terrace area, and we're heading in the direction of the National Stadium. So just showing you guys around this side, showing you guys these communities, so you guys can see this part of town. So it's Kingston, Jamaica. On the right we have Latham Avenue, and then we're gonna take the left right here and go into a cul-de-sac, Cunningham Avenue. So you guys definitely stay tuned. And again, really appreciate the support. You know, whether it's a driving video, whether it's a drone video, whether it's an apartment review, a new construction, always appreciate the support from you guys. So a few very older type single family lots in this community, and some apartment complex. We have Cunningham Manor on the left. So a few apartment complexes, a few townhouses, and as I said, some very older type single family homes that, you know, I'm sure within the next few years are gonna get renovated, expanded, or transformed into, you know, multi-level living. The apartment complex you saw in front, the tall one, that was the loft right in front of the National Stadium. I did a complete review of the loft, more than one. So I'll put a link for one of those videos so you guys can check out the loft apartment complex as well, developed by Wint Construction. So this is a cul-de-sac, it finishes here. These are some more townhouses. So this is a small community very close to the National Stadium. And then we can see the loft in the backdrop. Alright, so let's head back out onto Roosevelt Avenue. And I'm seeing a few abandoned homes in the community as well. You know, these are prime real estate, because this is very central. Alright guys, and as usual, leave your comment, let me know what you think about the community. If you have ever resided in this community, let me know. If you grew up in the community, let me know. And if you have a friend, family, co-worker living in the community, let me know as well. Alright, so we're back out on the main, and we'll be heading in the direction of the National Stadium. Alright, so we have the National Arena in front of us, the National Indoor Sports Complex. You know, netball matches, basketball matches, conferences. Then we have the National Stadium over here. You know, it just came to mind, I think I may need to do a drone video of the National Stadium. I think that would be good. We're gonna do a drone video one of these days of the National Stadium. I'm sure it's gonna look very nice from above. Get some aerial shots. Over this side, persons, you know, come and learn to drive. You know, do their reversing, do their parallel parking. So this is a big lot. Sometimes the National Stadium use it for extra parking. But I think it can be developed too, like probably in a park. Could be a park. And then we're seeing the loft in front of us. You know, personally, I've brought a few persons over here to, you know, just to learn the basics of driving, parking, reversing, you know, so that they can go and do their driving tests. So if you guys have ever came over here to teach somebody to drive or even to learn to drive yourself, let me know in the comment section. So National Stadium, let's zoom in a little bit for you guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a drone video. I don't have my drone on me, so it's not gonna be today, but I'll definitely come back and do a drone video of this entire National Stadium complex, and I'll get some shots in of the loft as well. Alright guys, so not a very long video, just a quick video just showcasing this area. It's close, especially the cul-de-sac community, Cunningham Avenue. It's close to the National Stadium, close to the Mountain View area. Alright guys, so just gonna end the video in the driveway of the loft apartment complex. So thanks for watching, thanks for liking. There is someone preparing to go teach somebody to drive, putting out his cones. Oh, that is too much zoom right here. So he's setting out his cones. Alright guys, remember to share as well. Alright guys, so see you on another driving video.